first trail test on my e-bike build. This is the Mongoose Juneau. They don't make many of these Juneaus. I don't even know if they make them anymore. I picked this one up on my local classifieds. It was a great bike for the build. It's got that BBSHD motor in it. Bottom bracket measured out to be about 117. So that 120 millimeter BBSHD was perfect. Look, you can see that I didn't even put one spacer on that motor. It's got the 40 tooth lecky with the bling ring, and you can see that I did put the one spacer in there. You can see that's perfect next to that swing arm. Chain line is perfect. I can run that low gear. This Juneau only come with like a 36 tooth low gear. I'm gonna bump it up to at least a 40, probably a 42. If you guys are looking for information, go to JohnnyNerdOut, go to his channel and watch his videos. He shows you all of his custom bikes that he puts together for customers, and he gives you the wealth of knowledge, and he shows you that almost any bike is convertible. First video of Johnny's I'd watch is this information might get me killed, because he tells you why you should put your own bike together. And I bought everything off of Johnny's channel or off of his website. He's got everything you need. His customer service is great. He does consultations. You can book consultations with him. The only thing I didn't buy was my battery from him. This is 2022, and if you know, the batteries are kind of hard to come by right now. He didn't have the battery in stock that I wanted, so I had to go through somebody else to get the battery that I wanted. But like I said, this is my first trail ride. And we come up some pretty steep stuff. It's been a great ride this morning. I had to get off the bike a couple times because I was just spinning out because it was so steep. But that bike is a climber. Like I said, perfect bike to convert. I'll bet the Mongoose Argus probably measures out to be 117 on that bottom bracket. Just a great build. Go to JohnnyNerdOut's channel. Like I said, look at all of his custom bikes that he builds. Not one of them's the same. And you'll see too that you can put one of these together. Once again, thanks again, Johnny.